Over 60? Eat these 3 cheeses to rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. By now, the negative effects of aging on our bodies are well known. We know that as we enter our senior years, our bones become weaker, our immune systems less robust, and our energy levels often decline. Among the most concerning changes is the loss of muscle, a process known as sarcopenia. According to the Journal of Clinical Medicine, over 50% of adults over 60 suffer from sarcopenia, making it a widespread concern. But what if I told you there's a simple dietary solution that could potentially combat this issue? Not just any food, mind you, but something many of us enjoy. Cheese. Yes, cheese. However, not all cheeses are created equal. And in this video, I am going to delve into 3 specific types of cheese that can be your allies in the battle against sarcopenia. I'll be sharing insights backed by scientific studies, helping you understand how these cheeses can support muscle health and potentially slow down the effects of aging. Make sure to watch till the end to discover the detailed action plans for incorporating these cheeses into your daily diet. So stay tuned. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our favorite channel, a place for health information and education. How are you all? I pray that you are always healthy and achieve your dreams and success. Today with me, Dr. Ibrahim will discussing a topic that is close to my heart and affects many of us as we age: the role of nutrition in combating sarcopenia. My name is Naim. As a doctor, researcher, and author of the best-selling book, Aging with Energy, I've dedicated my career to helping people lead healthier, more energetic lives. I've seen firsthand the challenges of aging and the importance of proactive health management. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked: the power of certain foods, specifically cheeses, to help rebuild muscle and combat sarcopenia. My goal is to empower you with knowledge so you can make informed choices that benefit your health and well-being. Let us explore the world of nutrition together and discover how we can harness the power of food to support our health as we age. So let's begin. Our first contender is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a culinary chameleon. Its mild flavor and creamy texture make it a staple in many diets. But did you know it's also a nutritional powerhouse? Rich in protein and low in fat, it is an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while getting a dose of muscle-building nutrition. On top of that, cottage cheese is packed with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all essential for strong bones and teeth. And don't worry about the high amounts of protein and calcium. Studies show that they won't affect your kidney health unless you already have kidney problems. One of the standout features of cottage cheese is its slow digestion rate. This means that it releases amino acids, the building blocks of protein, gradually into your bloodstream. This gradual release is not only beneficial for muscle maintenance, but also helps prevent muscle loss, especially overnight. This is because your body breaks down muscle tissue for energy when it doesn't receive adequate nutrition for an extended period. Having cottage cheese before bed can help prevent this process. And let's not forget about leucine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. Leucine is often dubbed the muscle-building ignition key due to its ability to trigger this process even when you are not actively working out. Interestingly, research suggests that eating cottage cheese can increase muscle protein synthesis rates by up to 110%. This is a significant boost considering the role of muscle protein synthesis in maintaining and building muscle mass. The study mentioned earlier noted that eating cottage cheese regularly increased muscle protein synthesis by 27% compared to those who didn't, and that's a substantial improvement. When it comes to portion control, stick to about half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese, which provides approximately 14 grams of protein. If you want to add some variety to your meals, try mixing cottage cheese with chopped vegetables, fruits, or nuts for a nutritious snack or light meal. The second item on our list is Parmesan cheese. Parmesan is more than just a culinary delight. It's a nutritional goldmine. Known for its hard texture and intense flavor, Parmesan is an Italian cheese that has gained worldwide recognition. But what sets it apart from other cheeses is its unique production process and its surprising health benefits. During the production of Parmesan, the milk is heated and mixed with rennet, an enzyme that causes the milk to coagulate. This results in a curdled mass that is then separated from the liquid portion of the milk. The curds are pressed into molds and allowed to age for at least 2 years. This extensive aging process is key to its dense nutrient profile and its potential health benefits. Parmesan's complex aging process results in a cheese that is almost entirely protein. This characteristic makes it an excellent source of protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age. The aging process also breaks down lactose, a sugar found in milk, making it easier to digest for individuals with lactose intolerance. Additionally, Parmesan is naturally low in sodium, making it a better choice for those concerned about their salt intake. One of the standout benefits of Parmesan is its high concentration of calcium. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, but it also plays a crucial role in muscle function. In fact, calcium is vital for the proper contraction and relaxation of muscles, making it an important nutrient for maintaining muscle health as we age. Consuming enough calcium through foods like Parmesan can help seniors maintain their mobility and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. So remember, a little Parmesan goes a long way. About 1 to 2 ounces daily is enough to provide a nice boost to your diet. And as a bonus, it's relatively low in calories, making it suitable for those watching their calorie intake. And now we spotlight our final cheese, ricotta. Hailing from Italy, this fresh cheese is renowned for its soft, creamy texture and mild flavor. What truly makes ricotta special is its unique production process. Unlike many cheeses, ricotta is not aged, which retains much of its whey protein and essential nutrients. Whey is the primary protein found in milk and is considered a complete protein as it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also the fastest absorbing protein, making it ideal for muscle recovery and growth. In addition to its high protein content, ricotta is naturally low in sodium, making it a healthier choice for those watching their salt intake. It's also a good source of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Moreover, ricotta is rich in branched-chain amino acids or BCAAs. These amino acids play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. Studies have shown that consuming enough BCAAs can increase muscle mass and strength, especially in athletes and the elderly. So how much ricotta should you be eating? Well, a general rule of thumb is to stick to about half a cup of ricotta, which provides a nice balance of protein and nutrients. To incorporate ricotta into your meals, consider adding it to salads for extra protein or using it as a base for healthy dips with vegetables. Congratulations on reaching the end of this informative video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these incredible cheeses and their potential benefits for your health and well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and quality of life. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends and family so they too can benefit from this knowledge. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to continue creating valuable content for you. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.